If Zillow descriptions were honest, what would they actually mean? Cozy? What do you think it means? Tiny, right? Vintage? Never updated. Spacious? Maybe I don't know what to do with all that space. Just needs a little TLC, or handyman special means bring the bulldozer. Hideaway means you're lost and you can't figure out where it is. There are so many of these descriptive words that we use that make it sound so amazing. But at the end of the day, if you're honest, they're just words to describe something that might not be desirable in the house. So be very, very careful when you're reading those descriptions that you don't get caught up in the fun, sweet words, but that you always look at the truth of what that house is. It's going to make a difference in the way that you buy that house. Well, there's a scoop. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor, as hometown as apple pie.